Hello, friends. So I'm here to host a special show on nurses, and today we're gonna tell you about a lot of things, a lot of things for sure. So, would you rather? Okay, would you rather? Would you not rather? Okay, Chand Bakshi is here with us. So we have a special guest with me today. She's Chand Bakshi. She's from the fashion fraternity, and I'm gonna just take her on live. All right, and she's an amazing. And today, as you know, we all have we all are celebrating Nurse International Day today. So let me see. Okay, so here we go. All right, I hope we get connected. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Hello, how are you?
Hey, good to see you.
Same here. Chand Bakshi, right? I hope I'm saying the name correctly.
Oh, yes, you are correct.
All right. So, क्या अल्फाज से पहले तो मैं आपके बारे में क्या सुनाऊं, कहाँ से इंट्रोडक्शन शुरू करूं? Because I was just going through your profile and I was like, you have so much of experience in this fashion fraternity from so many years, approximately 25 years. This is what I came to know. And you truly are, and you look so beautiful. I must say that honestly, it's the
Thank you, dear.
first time I'm talking to you. So as you know, this is our today is in International Nurses Day also. So I start for from. So ma'am,
Awesome.
just give me a brief introduction about yourself because मैं बोलूंगी तो शायद इतना मजा नहीं आएगा. So I think आप बताइए मुझे कुछ.
Ritika, I must say one thing about you. Every woman is born to be a queen, you know. So you too are so pretty
Thank
and
you.
so nice to connect with you. I know, the times have come that now we have to be online always, because it's not safe as for
Absolutely.
us to. So now your question was like today the Nurses
Yes, to
International
start
Nurses
with.
Day. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a background of a fashion pageants, and my background is like we are there in the industry from a long time. I have few queens, princes, kings, and prince who have been part of our shows always. I was just speaking to my girls who are the winner of the crowns and all. They say, ma'am, what the nurses are doing today, they really need to be acknowledged. They
Right,
really,
right.
really and these women and the girls who are coming, stepping out of their house and putting their lives on stake, leaving children home. So there's a small gesture from the fashion fraternity who's coming forward to acknowledge the real heroes of today. And I would like to crown you also today. It is really nice that you are also putting up your efforts and time. Yeah,
Okay, can you hear me now? Sorry. I just missed out on that. I guess
hey,
there was some network issue. All right. So actually, yes, I want to tell our viewers that we are launching a Pyar Corona beauty pageant, obviously, under your consent and everything, your guidance. And we are planning to give our own token of love to all the nurses who've been working so hard, giving us their time, leaving their family behind, everything. Obviously, it must be a very tough time, and I really respect that you appreciate the effort. That's all what makes a lot of difference. We all see it coming, we saw people doing it, but the only thing is, until unless you start to appreciate, that covers up the whole, the thing, the hard work, everything. They must have lost the time which they could have given it to the families. And it's such a beautiful initiative that you and Pyar Karuna is taking. So just tell me more
yeah.
about the pageant which we are about to launch today.
See, I have a team of people who work under me, and this is a fashion team at Fita International, and the team of Pyar Corona. We are coming forward to acknowledge these women of today, who are
Yeah.
the warriors. Yeah, and today I got some videos from the nurses. Ma'am, we are running short of this, we are running short of this, and and what they really need is a support, and
Right.
and we all women really need to empower these ladies, and for a few of them were COVID positive also, and
Absolutely. That was
still,
very sad.
and which is really bothering us, and although our government is doing a lot of steps, but the crises are so big, and everybody cannot be taken care of, which is
Okay.
which is really bothering me. And the girls, a few of them are happy, few of them are are leaving the one of the nurse was pregnant also,
Yes,
and
I
even
came to
then.
know.
Yeah, I saw that on the videos, So, and this is a little gesture from our side, so that my company, Sada International, could do little appreciation for these women.
Okay, so one more thing before I just like stop you in the middle. Aarti is saying hello to you. Hi, Aarti. So if you have our viewers, if you have any questions you want to ask this beautiful lady sitting right next to me, like in front of me, live, Chand Bakshi. So you can ask almost anything. She belongs to fashion fraternity. If you have any questions, if you are like feeling discomforted about your career or whatever related to fashion or something, what we should do in life, because now, and one more thing, Chandji, one thing is that there are a lot of people here who only understand Hindi, so मैं थोड़ा सा आपसे request करूंगी थोड़ा बीच में we'll talk in
जी
Hindi
जी आई
also,
कैन स्पीक.
so that हाँ
हाँ
जी
जी, हम
because
हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं, जरूर.
absolutely.
जरूर
So
जी.
जैसे कि अभी हम आज जो ब्यूटी पेजेंट लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं आपकी उसमें अंदर, तो बताइए उसकी पेजेंट में मतलब जैसे हम नर्सेस को वी विल गिव अवे द क्राउन्स एंड सैशेस जो अभी तक हमारी ब्यूटी विनर्स के पास हैं. So क्या
Yeah, see, I'll tell you what. We are, if this is a digital thing, it is just an
yes.
acknowledgement. We'll be sending them a token of love and a certificate to them. And here we will be doing the virtually crowning of them, so that they can keep them in records. And at least it is mainly to motivate them. But we will surely share our certification with them, so that at the time of the crisis, the women who were out, at least they will have some benefits. It is like, they can use this certificate to that they were part of. It's just an acknowledgement,
It's an
So,
acknowledgement basically
yes,
for the hard
Hanji,
work which
ji.
they've been doing.
Hard,
So,
yeah, yeah. So,
basically, to start with the basic, how is your lockdown going on? When it started,
sorry,
आपको
Kamal.
कुछ, how is your lockdown going on? When the first day we were given this googly on us by our honorable Prime Minister that okay, fine, that it is a pure lockdown. So आपने उसको कैसे deal करा? I'm sure you must have had your own ups and downs.
No. I'll tell you what. Trust me, I was really, really depressed. I'm a mother of two grown-up boys. My eldest son is stuck in Pune, who's still in Pune,
Oh,
working with PwC, doing his projects there. These boys are very, very well independent. They both are Narians, and the younger one is stuck in Malaysia. And
okay.
it was 17th of March, when 16th of March, the university,
Yes.
had announced that we are going under a lockdown and you all can go back to your countries. And unfortunately, I booked his ticket to Malaysia to Amritsar. And this boy was about to fly. He went to the airport also. Even that time, there was, that Tablighi done in
Yes,
Malaysia
Marcus.
also.
Right, right.
And university is really near to, this the place where this Tablighi happened, And so this boy of mine was about to catch a flight when when he went there, and he had to come back. And since that day, because I knew the status of our government, and I was hearing about Italy and London,
Yes,
that there
very
has to be
much.
of students who are willing to come back to India. So first 2-3 days, like I was very, very busy because one of the students could fly back to India, and he
Okay.
was from Telangana, and we had to, I somehow could get his number, and I contacted him, and he said that, and I told him like, the boys who were, and the girls who were stuck in Malaysia, they would be needing this kind of help and all. So with the help of this boy, and there are about more than 15 universities in Malaysia, I collected the data of 160, 70 students,
Wow, that's
and the
great.
video and data of 160, 70 students. I did my best, today I'm feeling, being in fashion fraternity, how important is to be in politics, you know. So I try to.
Absolutely.
I try. I never. I really don't. I'm really don't understand politics at all. You know. So whatever contact my friends are from that background, I started contacting them and I asked them, "Can you help me with this? You know, these are students." So they like I got the clue of you have to whom you have to contact. So I got the videos done by all these students, and plus I mean whatever problems they are facing and all. Few of them had no money. Few have no place to
Yes.
live. You know. And plus, they all are on the rented places and all. The universities were shut down. So, like first 4 5 days, like I made sure the data should reach in Malaysian Indian Embassy, Kuala Lumpur. So all the data is there, and every day we are getting the news. Like now, the latest is like they had organized about so many flights coming, like about 15,000 students and stuck people to bring back to India. I mean, on the schedule, again, the date for my boy to come back to India was 12th of, sorry, 13th of this month, you know. Again, there is no contact with these boys. Every day they're packing up their bags and we are getting a call from the embassy. And we are willing to pay money. Yes, we are willing to pay money. And they all are students. And even then, till today, the flight, they all
Is
have
not
got
working.
cancelled, not working. Most of the students are again stuck. There is no flight to Delhi, Kuala Lumpur, Delhi, you know, Kuala Lumpur, Mumbai, and poor boy
I know, I know.
who
So is he
had no,
still stuck
who,
there?
he's stuck there, but there is no. I mean, you know, these boys
It's
cannot
okay,
cook
but
and all.
Chan, one
They're
thing is
managing
like
with
it's all right. It's okay to be stuck anywhere as long as the boy is safe. It makes a lot of
oh yes,
difference. Yeah,
he's
that's
safe.
all. That's
And
all.
they're strong boys. My younger son is staying with four friends in an apartment. It's a three
Yeah,
bedrooms apartment.
that's what
They,
we
they,
tell people
they have learned so much, you know, they have learned so much, they've learned to cook,
to cook,
and
to
they
do
have,
everything by themselves, obviously.
and they, you know, I can just share one experience of them, you know, the younger one. Mom, I went with the small, I went for the grocery and everything, I got everything. When I came back home, there was no gas, and everything
Oh
is
wow,
shut down. What do
beautiful.
we,
Wow, beautiful.
what do
That
we
makes
do?
a lot of sense.
And and since and I'm really proud of my children. It's not. I'm not talking about my children. All these
All the children,
170
obviously.
children are my children. You know, so
All over the
I
world, in
whatever
fact.
whatever. So I was really depressed
I
with this
feel
younger
completely,
one.
Chanji, this is a learning process for
So
all
today,
of us, or all of us at one
yeah,
point of time. And so I'm going to tell my viewers who've just joined in that I'm talking to Chand Bakshi, who's a fashion activist, influencer, and entrepreneur from past 25 years, and experienced lady with me sitting here. And as you've told me about your little boy stuck there, and I'm sure that makes more of a man out of them when they come here,
they.
they'll
Oh
be
yes, oh yes.
sure,
They've been brought up like
surely.
that. You're a man of your own. This is a slogan in
Absolutely.
Snar. You know,
Yes,
uh,
absolutely, I can understand. And
never give up. Never give up.
जैसे कि आप कहते हैं कि मतलब दिस इज अ वेरी प्रेशराइजिंग टाइम, बहुत मुश्किल का टाइम है हम सबके लिए, बिकॉज द लाइफ इज चेंजिंग. पूरी जिंदगी हमारी एक नजरिया बदल जाएगा 360 डिग्रीज.
Yeah,
पहली
yeah,
बात तो आपको
yeah.
लगता है कि वी शुड बी, और इसमें जितना हमारा नहीं बदला उतना डॉक्टर्स का, नर्सेस का भी बहुत बड़ा योगदान है. Had they been
True,
not
true.
there to help us out, we would have been like any other animal who's been left on any deserted island to be all by themselves. So first of all, we should thank them. I always tell my viewers that we need to thank nurses and doctors. And today being International Nurse Day, we should give them an ode and thank them personally on this thing on the any platform where we could.
See, I'll tell you what.
So have you ever come
I'm.
across any nurse from like online or something, a friend or
Oh
somebody
yes.
who's in?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Probably you
Oh
can
yes.
share their experience with us.
Oh yes. One of the lady. I saw like reaching back home after 20 days, and all the colony is honoring
Yes,
them. There
yeah.
was and they're lighting their candles for the ladies. These are small, small gestures, and I'm really, really annoyed with the people who I'm a Sadarni, okay? I'm a Sadarni. I'm really proud of Bangla Sahib, who had offered the offerings of like
Yeah, right.
the rooms and all, and like, and bringing up the voice to people, and I think like you talking to me, I talking to you, voices are really making a difference today. It is really, really helping the ladies and these ladies, the doctors, and I don't know what is the these they are mentally upset. These people who are not people like taking care of our doctors and I mean the people who are coming to out of their house
Absolutely.
to put their efforts together. These are a few things really bother me when I listen to these ladies. They are every woman or every nurse who's been talking to me. They are saying, "Ma'am, we are having this," and we and we. I mean, they don't have time to come in media because they focus in
Actually.
in their work. When they've
Right.
left home, one of my winner of my show is also a nurse.
Oh, wow,
Only
that's
thing is,
nice.
it is also a nurse. Like I did a show, Mrs. Royal Queen, 2017. In 2017,
Right.
and one of my runner-up was a nurse.
Okay.
And she's also a beautiful girl and beautiful women who are balancing their families, their professional life, and things together.
All right.
So I keep talking to people on the phone from thing, and but let's hope for the best, so that we can really whatever from our source of thing, And yes, everybody needs a recreation. When I talk to ladies and when I talk to people, we say, "Ma'am, we are so busy in our work. We have done enough of our work. We have enough money. Only thing is like lot of the
Lot of
girls
things.
who are not
Yeah,
from the
right.
fashion from different backgrounds. Even corporate girls, they came up to me. Say, we really have a desire to walk the ramp. We really want to do. So my platform is not for the models. It is for the people who want to live
For,
their
yes.
dreams. So women from like one of my last winner was also from corporate background. Another was a dentist, who was a doctor, who was a winner. There are two girls who came from Bangalore to be a part of this.
Oh, wow,
And
that's
here
really
we are,
lovely. It's so
and
nice
she's
that
also a
you give
doctor.
them such a
So
lovely platform.
in in my career of pageants, I started pageants in 2017, but before that I have been part of a lot of other events and all. I had done a lot on the royalty. I've got the shoots done. I do a lot for Save
So
the
I
Tigers,
must say, like, obviously you have a long list to go on in the fashion fraternity of, contests and all that. But this is a unique thing, a new project, a very unique thing which you're
I
just
really am
going
really,
to
you know,
do, which you're
so
just
no,
going to
no,
launch.
and I'm really sorry for the people who are making money out of all this. This is काम करो, व्यापार मत करो. Like this is the
Absolutely.
time. Like व्यापार तो कर लेंगे, सारी जिंदगी व्यापार ही की है. This is the time. काम करो, व्यापार मत करो. Please, my request to
नहीं,
everybody.
बहुत
अगर
बहुत अच्छी
मास्क,
लाइन है, काम
अगर
करो,
अगर
व्यापार मत करो.
प्लीज मत करो, क्योंकि देखो जो 15 रुपए का मास्क है, तुम 200 रुपए का बेच रहे हो. क्यों बेच रहे हो? क्यों बेच रहे हो यार? अगर तुम लोग चैरिटी नहीं कर सकते, काम कर रहे हो, चलो अपनी कॉस्ट लो, थोड़ा सा प्रॉफिट लो, बनता है. और प्लीज प्यार करो, कारोबार मत करो, व्यापार मत करो. हम लोग
व्यापार
सारी
मत
जिंदगी
करो,
काम कर
obviously.
लेंगे. जान है तो जहान है. जान है तो जहान है.
Absolutely, absolutely. There is time for everything in the world if we get to survive. अगर हमारे पास जान नहीं बचेगी तो कुछ भी नहीं बचेगा. It's a fact of life. Obviously इस टाइम पे कोई भी कारोबार करना, कुछ भी प्रॉफिटेबल सोचना कि इसके पैसे खा लो, उसके खा लो, is a very wrong thing to do. This is what
वेरी
I
रॉन्ग थिंग,
always tell
because
my viewers.
you
So
know you,
आज जो
you know
आपने इनिशिएटिव लिया है इस प्यार करो ना लाइव के थ्रू, you being as a person कि आज हम नर्सेस को ये वोट देंगे. So particularly आप मुझे इस पेजेंट के बारे में बताइए, how we are going to go about it and what is your beauty
see,
queens
see, see, see,
are going to do.
I'll See, I'll tell you what. See, since we all are quarantined home, we can't go out. I've told you earlier also, like we are virtually crowning them
All
today,
right.
one by one. Whosoever is, it is not. We are not judging them on their looks. We are not judging them on anything. We are not nobody to judge them. It's
Right.
our salute. We are saluting them. I really want to do my bit of it. If we can't do, and that little thing can give little happy, at least they can show it to their as I told you, the ladies, we would be giving them after the lockdown, if we happen to meet, I would like to meet them in think whatever benefits I could give them. And if they have interest, I like, I think most of the medical people, like I told you, four of my winners were doctors,
Yes, you just
doctors.
told
One
me.
of them is a nurse, one is from Bangalore, another one was dentist
So would
last
she be
year.
joining the pageant with us here on Pyar Corona Live?
See, I haven't spoken to them from a long time because they all are home quarantine and all. Here, our focus was the people who are warriors. People who already have a yes. I will get their bite. They will are very very happily. All these girls were really really they are groomed girls who are from very very niche backgrounds. These are the girls who are not the models,
Okay, they're
who are
not
living,
welcoming. Yes.
who are balancing life, who are balancing life. My pageant is not, I'm only doing the pageants on royalties. Our theme, it's always a theme based. I've also started one initiative, which was Punjab Darling. I just did one Punjab Darling event on 29th of February,
All right.
where we had given, acknowledgement to 4 women who came all the way from Punjab as women of substance,
Oh, that's so
So,
nice. So
and this event we could conclude before this thing, So we wanted to go ahead, empower women, empower youth of today, and yes, whosoever, whatever we can do, it's just my, a humble gesture for them, so that I can do something in their appreciation.
oh, that's so nice. So very nice of you. So I'm going to tell my viewers, मैं उनको एक बार बता दूं, आज curtain raiser है of the Pyar Corona beauty pageant which is for nurses who've been helping us, giving the yogdan to our society and being there for us. And Chand Bakshi is with me, who has 25 years of solid experience in fashion fraternity, who has held so many beauty pageants. So who do we get on live today? Which would be the first contestant today with us?
Who's that? Huh?
A friend of mine.
Another friend of mine who's she's a nurse, and
All right.
she's going to be
joining us live here with us. So it was so nice. So any
yes,
message for all of us, all the nurses, before we sign off?
See, the message is that keep doing the good work. We are always only thing is I'm repeatedly saying this, that my salute is to them. Whatever I could do whenever they come out of all this, and then whatever, if they want to be a part of a fashion fraternity, if they want to be do makeup, to be writing some articles on their experiences, wanting to share their views. They're willing to. I can acknowledge them. I can try to put them in media. I can give them some appreciation, because I have a little connection with small little newspapers who can highlight these ladies, and it will be a token of appreciation from my side.
That's so
And
nice.
they are welcome. They are welcome to contact me for any kind of grooming sessions. I also have very niche team. The part of my team, my show director is always also a humble person, and Lakme, VLCC, and other brands have always been associated with us in the past, So if we happen to meet them virtually, and they want to be, I mean, if they want some grooming from any of the Expa Health, food, nutrition, anything, I would love to do it for them, and it will be a complimentary it will be complimentary from me for all the nurses, doctors, and all the staff which is who are coming out of their houses to.
Wow, that's such a nice gesture from your side. So please, guys, yaad rakho, प्यार करो, व्यापार नहीं, and please appreciate all these nurses who've been there 24/7.
Please, प्यार करो, व्यापार नहीं, व्यापार करने के लिए हमने बहुत काम किया.
I'm just in love with this line. I think I'm gonna make a slang out of it, for my Corona time. Please, प्यार करो, व्यापार नहीं. Seriously, such a nice line you've given us.
See, we are the professionals. We know when to and how to make money, okay? But this is not a time. Jaan hai to jahan hai. Please stay home, stay safe. help the people who want really, whom you can help, you know. जो तुम कर सकते हो करो, अगर नहीं कर सकते तो अप्रिशिएट करो, कुछ भी नहीं कर
Appreciate
सकते
कर.
तो प्लीज प्लीज अप्रिशिएट
Absolutely.
करो. हमारे डॉक्टर्स हैं, हमारी स्टाफ है, हमारा पुलिसमैन है, हमारा आर्मी स्टाफ है, और यही मैं कहूंगी कि भी प्लीज हेल्प करो, उनकी हेल्प करो
Yeah, and
और
today
इंकरेज
being the
करो.
International Nurses Day, we are raising a curtain raiser today, obviously on the Pyar Corona beauty pageant, which is just we're gonna have a first contestant here live with me, which is also a nurse, and we will be honoring her in our own way
I must show
virtually.
you. I must show you. We have a crown for the lady. You know, this is
Oh
a
wow, so
crowning.
beautiful.
This is a crowning today. This is our virtual crowning for her today. And whenever
Great,
we
great.
and you are a woman, so you are a woman of a stand. This is for you as well. We are going to crown
Oh,
you as well, dear.
thank you very much. That's so
God,
sweet.
God bless you. God
Thank
bless
you,
you, dear.
Chand. Thank you very much. It was so awesome talking to you. I shall get back to you in some more time to give you more update on that nurses which are going to join us here. Thank you very much
Sure.
so much.
I shall wait. I'm here.
Sure. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye. So that was Chand Bakshi with us, the entrepreneur, fashion influencer who has awesome amount of experience, not only in numbers, but in her style as well. Wasn't she extremely beautiful? Definitely. And again, she was like, would you rather make pyar your vyapar? Do you see this thing on my head? So प्यार करो व्यापार नहीं, ये हमारी लाइन है. और आज हमारा कर्टन रेजर है about Pyar Corona beauty pageant, about nurses. This is our ode to them, and we are starting this today on International Nurses Day. So I'm gonna have very soon a nurse with me on live, our first contestant, जिसको हम अपनी तरफ से एक wish देंगे, and we're gonna crown that beauty, the true soul, the true warrior who go out, जो बाहर जाके अपना टाइम, अपना सब कुछ, अपनी जान लगा देते हैं सिर्फ हमारी रक्षा करने के लिए, उन लोगों के लिए जो आज कोरोना वायरस से पीड़ित हैं. सो वी शुड ऑल थैंक देम. नॉट इफ वी कैन नॉट डू देम पर्सनली, वी शुड डू दैट ऑफन ऑन सोशल मीडिया. प्लीज अगर आप किसी के भी उसमें आते हैं कि ऊपर किसी के भी इन टच में आते हैं वर्चुअली, कोई पुलिसमैन, कोई सफाई कर्मचारी और एनी नर्स, एनी डॉक्टर, जाइए उनसे दूर रहिए, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग जरूर मेंटेन करके रखिए डेफिनेटली, बट प्लीज उनको अपना टोकन ऑफ अप्रिसिएशन जरूर दीजिए किसी भी तरह, जिस तरह से भी आप. यू कैन ब्रिंग अ स्माइल ऑन देयर फेस, बिकॉज आफ्टर ऑल वो सब अपना घर छोड़ के, सब कुछ छोड़ के आपकी सेवा में लगे हुए हैं. And so many of them, when you come to know that so many of them are getting affected also from corona, which is very disheartening to know, because वो हमारी रक्षा के लिए खड़े हुए थे, and God से मतलब उनको I think वो corona hit हो चुके हैं. Hi Preet, so if there are any questions, please, I would want you to speak something for nurses, and you know, it being an international nurse day, मैं चाहूंगी कि आज जरूर लिखें. अभी तक मैं आपका एक और शो होस्ट करती थी, which was LSD लव सेक्स एंड डेटिंग, बट ऑब्वियसली उस पर हमारे डिफरेंट टाइप की जो भी डिस्कशन होती थी. बट मैं आज आपसे जरूर बोलूंगी, वुड यू रादर गिव मी अ कमेंट फॉर आवर नर्सेज हु बीन हेल्पिंग, जो बाहर रहती हैं घर से, जिन्होंने अपना घर छोड़ के रखा हुआ है, अपने बच्चे, अपना पति, अपना भाई, अपनी बहन, एवरीबडी, अपना लाइफस्टाइल एंड एवरीवन. आज मैं बहुत इंटरव्यूज देख रही थी नर्सेज के, जहाँ पे वो आके बता रही हैं कि प्लीज डोंट टेक इट लाइटली. एटलीस्ट जिस चीज के लिए हम बाहर हैं आपकी सेवा में, आप उसको अप्रिशिएट करो, वो है आपकी जान. सो आप उसको बचा के रखो अपने घर में, तभी हम बाहर हैं. सो प्लीज रिस्पेक्ट नर्सेज. कुछ भी, कोई भी मैसेज आप उनके बारे में देना चाहोगे, यू कैन जस्ट, और इफ यू गाइज वांट टू कम लाइव, I'm going to take my first contestant for this beauty pageant on Pyar Corona Live, which is for nurses, an ode to them from our side, from Chand Bakshi also. So, and from me, Ritika. So, please, if you want to say anything, go ahead. I'm sure बहुत चीजें होती है, बहुत इमोशंस होते हैं आपके दिमाग में और आपके दिल में, जो आप नहीं बोल सकते, but you still want to, you know, sometimes write it down. So this is your time to show your appreciation, the right moment, the right day probably, to show your appreciation for the nurses. And I will get back to you very soon with our first contestant for the beauty pageant, the virtual, the first and the foremost beauty pageant on Pyar Corona Live. See you. This is Ritika signing off. See you in a minute.